Hello, it's Recno64 here again. And yes, I still have the Christmas stuff out, but the candy canes aren't working. I must have hit a plug or something. But it's Thursday, January 19th, 2012. And it's still cold out, but that should really change by tomorrow. It's supposed to really warm up and it's supposed to start raining again. And our iced over plants and everything, a whole lot of ice, is going to melt. Now, there's a ton of ice there, and I believe I just ripped off part of the plant itself. But there's so many icicles. You can see just all the icicles themselves up there. They make and the lights make a nice glow in the snow. Even though they're Christmas lights, that's what I have to say. Snowed a little bit more earlier, but I think that'll be it for the snow and probable ice. Now let's see what this thing has. Overall, I think we ended with 5 inches of accumulation on at least the grassy areas. And it's almost impossible to get this into the ice because it's so thick now, so poor luck with that. Anyway, this is what it's like here. Still a whole lot covered in snow and ice. There's been some fun here too, but everything must go. At least when the rain arrives and melts it all away. But then that probably won't end all of our problems this winter, because I bet you will probably see some flooding, not flooding. But there's a thick layer of ice on this thing. It's so tough. And look here, there's a little hole, a little hidey hole. It's full of ice and snow here. This is what you get in the winter. The snow is lights up more of the area, so that's another nice thing. We'll see how this blizzard, or not blizzard, winter storm really adds up in the record books, though. I'm not sure. But already I've been recording for 3 minutes of all the snow here. And I will miss it. But I think I kind of put a good amount to the fun, so yeah, I had fun. Hope people here in Washington State did too. And it's supposed to continue to warm up. It's only 30 degrees now, so nothing really is changing, but it probably will. So if you can see it, there's the city way out there. Part of the city, that's just part. But this is what it's like. It probably won't change too much until later on Friday. Other than that, we'll probably get a little more wintry weather until the temperatures rise above freezing, so that's what I assume, at least. But that, again, is pretty much what it's like here. More snow, more ice, a thick blanket, and it's all gonna melt. We'll see how that fares. Well, ice just crunches under me. This is the rain gauge. It's got snow covered in it. I'm wrecking a good blanket of snow and ice, but it'll be destroyed anyway, so Oh well. But I'm gonna... It was fun. For some others, they probably would say completely different. But I'll say I enjoyed this storm, so we'll see you guys later. Later, folks.